Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. While the current Mercedes-Benz lineup includes C-Class and an E-Class convertibles, both will reportedly be replaced with a single model for the 2023 model year, possibly wearing the name gle-class. Details are scarce so far, but we have seen spy photos that show Mercedes-Benz is indeed developing a new ragtop, and a trademark filing revealed the gle-class name is in the mix. We aren't sure which powertrains the gle-class will offer when it debuts, but we expect a mix of 4- and 6-cylinder options. Although it may replace both the C and E-class Cabriolets, the spy photos make the prototype look closer in size to the newly redesigned 2022 C-Class sedan, which would mean its closest rivals will be the Audi A5 and the BMW 4 Series. The gle-class will surely spawn a Mercedes-AMG variant and could even be adapted to the brand's ultra-luxurious Mercedes-Maybach line. Although the gle-class name is new for Mercedes, the concept of a convertible covering both the compact and mid-size marketplaces isn't novel. The gle-class could well be the spiritual successor to the long-ago retired CLE-Class model, which similarly straddled the divide between the two segments. We expect to see the gle-class revealed sometime in 2022 and go on sale shortly after as a 2023 model. Mercedes-Benz has not revealed any pricing or equipment information yet, but the gle-class could follow the new trim lineup that launched with the 2022 C-Class sedan, which starts with the entry-level premium and works up to exclusive and pinnacle models. Either way, we expect to see a price premium for the new convertible, with pricing starting around $60,000.